In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Slack huddle. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can present clearly and confidently. First, you'll want to start a huddle in the Slack channel or direct message where you plan to meet. A huddle is Slack's lightweight audio session, perfect for quick conversations and spontaneous collaboration. Once you're in the huddle and ready to present, look for the share screen icon in the huddle controls. It typically looks like a small monitor with an arrow. Clicking that icon is your gateway to sharing what's on your device. Next, Slack will ask what you want to share. You'll see three choices: your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Here's how to choose wisely. If you're switching between multiple apps or windows during your explanation, sharing your entire screen keeps everything seamless. No interruptions while you juggle between tools. If you want to keep the focus tightly on one program, like a slide deck or a spreadsheet, pick that single window. And if your content lives in the browser and you want fewer visual distractions, sharing just one tab keeps things clean and secure. Before you click share, take a quick moment to check what might appear. Close any unrelated documents, silence notifications, and hide anything confidential. A quick tidy up prevents surprises and helps your audience stay focused on the main point. When you're ready, hit the share button to begin. Everyone in the huddle will see what you've selected, and you can talk them through your content in real time. Keep your pacing steady and use your cursor deliberately to highlight important areas. This makes it easier for others to follow along, especially on smaller screens. If you need to pause for a moment or you've finished presenting, you can stop sharing at any time by clicking the Stop Sharing icon in the huddle controls. The huddle continues, so you can return to a regular voice conversation without ending the session. If you decide you'd like to show something different, simply stop sharing and start again, choosing a new screen, window, or tab for your next segment. That's all there is to it. Start a huddle, click the share screen icon, choose exactly what to show, press share, and stop when you're done. With these basics and a little preparation, your Slack huddles will feel smooth, professional, and easy for everyone to follow.